The myFSU Service Center is the go-to spot for help with general university questions, tech troubles, and more. To get started, go to servicecenter.fsu.edu or sign in to the myFSU portal and click the Help icon. Using the FAQs, you can search hundreds of self-help articles for quick, do-it-yourself troubleshooting. Just type your question in the Ask a Question search bar and scroll through the results for a solution. If the content is helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you don't find an answer or you need a little more assistance, click the button. Sign in if prompted and fill out the form. Be very specific in the subject. Click Submit and a team member will be in touch soon. If you want to check on the status of your case at any time, return to the myFSU Service Center homepage. Click the My Service Center button and select your case number. Here you can see the case status and add comments or upload files you think are helpful. After the case is closed, you have 30 days to reopen it if you experience any lingering issues. Simply navigate to the case, add a comment, and click Reopen Case. Whether you're exploring the FAQs or reporting a problem, the myFSU Service Center is here for all your tech troubleshooting.